Hey guys, it's Nick Campbell here with Pete's RV Center, Connecticut. Hey, I've got some exciting news. The Providence RV Show is rolling back around here, and Vans RV, part of the Pete's RV Center network, will be there with over 35 Jaycos on site, factory-trained representatives as well as our factory-trained staff, and we're giving away some really fun stuff. You guys, if you come and purchase a camper from us that weekend, a free 50-inch TV will be given to you as long as you close at the show, or if not, we'll save one for you at the dealership here. And we're also giving away a week at Bailey's Campground free for those who are the lucky winner of that. It's an exciting time. It's one of the last RV shows of the year here, and we have a giant display, over 35 units. I'm bringing the brand new SLX. It's an 18-foot trailer, single axle with a slide out, under 3,000 pounds. I'm also bringing the exciting new Whitehawk stuff here. For those of you who haven't seen them at RV shows yet, these things are worth seeing. Everyone that's come into them has just fallen in love with them. So Vans RV Center, part of the Pete's RV dealer group, is going to be at the Providence RV Show this year. We would love to see you and your family come in and just save a ton of money. That's what we're there for. And who knows, you might be that lucky winner for some free camping. VansRV.com, PetesRVCT.com as well. And look forward to seeing you guys at the show.